How to transfer data from old iPhone to new iPhone. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. Transferring data from your old iPhone to a new iPhone is easy with Apple's built-in tools. And here is how to do it. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now once inside the Settings app, scroll down and there you will get to see General option available. Simply tap on it. Now again, once inside the General, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone, you can simply see Prepare for New iPhone option available there. There simply tap on the Get Started button available. Now simply follow the on-screen instructions to transfer your data to new iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.